Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are removing the back seats out of the ST and fitting the JC Clubsport bottom floor. So first things first, what we've got to do is we've got to lift up the bottom bench. This is literally just clipped in by a couple of clips underneath, so literally you've just got to give it a tug up and it should literally just come straight out. Just like that. Now the bench is out, I've got an additional bit of wiring. You guys won't have this. This is for my amp. I'll sort it out later. Literally, this is the case of 4 bolts this side. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 over here. And then it'll be the same the other side. Literally, it should just be a case of undo them. And then it should hopefully all come out. It's a pretty easy job. So yeah, get cracking. Find you might need a breaker bar. Mine were ridiculously tight, so literally I got a breaker bar out. It yeah, it soon sorted that one out. There we go. So now the insides are all done, literally it's just a case of doing the ones in the back. So we've got 1, 2, and then 1 over this side. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, it should just be a case of pulling it out and then that's this bit done. Right, so we've skipped forward literally just a tiny bit. If I get the screwdriver, basically in here, literally at the end, there's this like that sort of metal round clip. It sort of goes over like this. Literally all we've done is we've just literally banged it back towards the boot of the car, and it sort of folds down and goes, if I get the camera, it goes down here. So it's this bit of metal here that we're pushing down, this silver bit. So we're just sort of pushing it down this way. So that's now down, and we've done the same this side. And what you do is you literally give the chair a lift up, and it should literally just unclip like that. And then we're hoping it should just come out if all goes to plan. We might have to pull the other side out. It's a bit tight working in the back of here. Yeah. I think. Give us 1 second. Rookie mistake. I forgot a bolt, so that's why it wasn't coming out. Literally, just down here, I missed it. That's my fault. So that'll be why it wasn't coming out. But yeah, once that is done, this should literally all just come out nice and easy. That bolt is now removed. Rookie mistake, my bad. And everything. Oh, and if by magic the back seats have been removed like that, I'm gonna come off the camera because I need to get this out. But that door. Now we are fitting the JC Clubsport false floor. This is sort of the whole reason I'm doing all this. As you can see, I've gone for the diamond stitch with the red stitching. It's really nice. Sort of reason I went for this is because I do plan on doing a few camping trips in the car, so it's a bit more comfy to lay on. But yeah, the boys and girls over there have been really nice. They sort of do everything for you. Everything is sort of pre-drilled, labelled, numbered, because then you look on the back of this, it's all numbered where the screws are going to go. And right at the bottom, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, they even sort of do a little diagram template of where all the brackets are going to go. So fingers crossed, it should be nice and easy. So we're sort of going to get going with that now, and yeah, go from here. As you can see, literally just simple. We've literally just screwed these 2 bits on. Like I say, it's all labelled. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Got the bag, got the that's it. Bracket. So yeah, just should be a case of screwing it on. Yeah. Literally as simple as that. So now all 3 are screwed on. Literally, it's just a case of getting this piece that goes down into the footwell, and we're sort of assuming that we now just sort of got to line this up, and then it all goes in kind of one piece as such, we're hoping. So we'll soon find out. Give us a second, and yeah. I'm assuming it's just... Ready? Yep. Lovely. A little bit.
The fun bit's going to be actually getting this in the car.
Yeah.
Let's put another 2. Yeah, put another 2 in. Or another 3 in.
Yeah. So, as you can see, we've got this in now. It's kind of, it is easier with 2 people. We've kind of literally just lifted it through, sort of twisted it, and plonked it straight down. It is it's a snug fit, but it does fit nicely. It's yeah, it's not
built well.
Yeah, it's not hard to put in. Yeah, so now this bit's in. It should just be a case of the next part that we've got over there, and then that should be this done. We've got a little bit more work to do because we've got to screw this on to here now, but that's no biggie. If, like me, you do have an amp and you want to do something like this, there is plenty of room under here to run your wires, so don't worry about that, because you've got these 2 wooden blocks that you screwed on earlier. Yeah, it is up in the air. I've got all my wires under here, everything's fine. So yeah, if you're in the same position as me, all good. Right, so slight mess up, don't worry, nothing too bad. When we put these blocks on earlier, we had them flush the other way. We've now just worked out that we need to have them sort of lift this up. We need it this way, along with the square that they've done. So we need it this side facing, because when we get this other piece in, it will sit on top of that and keep it flush. So literally not that way, we want it this way, this side. Literally, it's just nice and easy. You can just literally lift this up and
let's do that now.
So as you can see, we have now literally just spun them both round. So that should sit like that, and then this should sit quite nicely on there, hopefully.
Should drop in,
he says.
I'll go the other way because of the Velcro.
Oh yeah.
That's what I worked out before. Push that towards me.
I was taking that one now.
Yeah, it will.
There we go. There we go, give that a push towards me.
Get the amp back up and in. Nice.
And then that, ladies and gentlemen, is your JC Clubsport false floor. Yeah, it's not too hard to fit, to be fair. We've got a little bit more fiddling to do because you know, I decided to get the Beers amp going.
Well, let's do that, and then
yeah, once that's in, we've got the sub back in, we'll cut back and yeah,
go from there.
So the people at JC Clubsport were really nice, and they threw this in sort of for free for me. I really do appreciate that from them. Yeah, this, I believe you can get these with like a cargo net that goes onto them. I just wanted the bar. I don't need a net because, like I say, I plan on sleeping in it. It will come out when I sleep in it, otherwise I will probably dong my head a few times. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, it's nice back here. There's sort of no horrible noises. It is all nice and snug in here, so sort of don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna put the sub back in. Amp's all screwed on now. But apart from that, sort of job done. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, head over to their page. They're on Facebook and Instagram. Go and check them out. Seriously, it is great quality stuff, so I highly recommend it. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.